The number of subjects in the Union list of the Indian Constitution is answer C 97. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? Answer D. Planning Commission. The Constitution of India contains answer B. Article 395. Which of the following articles of the Constitution deals with the fundamental duties? Answer B. Article 51A, which was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution. Answer C. Right to constitutional remedies. Who had proposed partly less democracy in India? Answer D. Jaya Prakash Narayan. The drafting of the Constitution was completed on answer C. 26 November 1949. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? Answer D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The method of impeachment of the President of India is adopted from answer A. USA. In the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, which languages were added subsequently? Answer C. Sindhi, Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali. Under which article of the Constitution is the President's rule introduced in the state due to the failure of the constitutional machinery? Answer B. 356. Who said that, "Oh disrespectable democracy, I love you"? Answer A. G.B. Shaw. The final authority to interpret our Constitution is the answer D. Supreme Court. A secular state is one which answer C. has no religion of its own. The Parliament can legislative on subject give in the Union list only in consultation with the state government for the state of answer D. Jammu and Kashmir. What is the color of the Dharma Chakra in the middle of our national flag? Answer C. Navy blue. The Constitution of India describes the country as a answer B. Union of States. The 7th Third Amendment Act 1992 of the Indian Constitution was passed to answer A. Strengthen Panchayati Raj. Indian Constitution has divided the powers and function of the state into answer B. 3 lists. The concept of constitution first organized in answer C. Britain. On the subject mentioned in the concurrent list, laws may be enacted by the answer C. State and the Union. Freedom of the press is implied in the right to answer B. Freedom of speech. The provisional president of the Constituent Assembly was answer D. Sachidanand Sinha. Article 74 and 75 of Indian Constitution deals with matters of answer C. The Council of Ministers. The chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution was answer A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. A proceeding under Article 226 in a case of detention of a person is a answer C. Criminal proceeding. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which item out of the following is contained in the concurrent list? Answer C. Trade union. Persons may change, but rules should not change is the principle of answer D. Constitutional government. The Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the answer A. Cabinet Mission Plan. The objective of Indian planning are answer D. All of the above. The term for state is used for answer D. The press and newspaper. Through which constitutional amendment was the Nagarpalika Bill passed? Answer D. 74th. Who can legislate on those residual matters are not mentioned in central state concurrent list? Answer A. Parliament alone. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with the disqualification of elected members on the ground of defection? Answer C. 10th. According to Article 75(3) of the Constitution of India, the Council of Ministers and collectively responsible to the answer D. Lok Sabha. Communism has given importance to answer A. Economic equality. The two words that were inserted by the 42 Amendment to the preamble of the Constitution are answer C. Socialist and secular. Sikkim was granted statehood in the year answer D. 1975. From each according to his capacity to each according to his needs is the principle of answer C. Communism. 52 Constitutional Amendment Act of 1985 deals with answer B. Defection and disqualification. Cabinet system and collective responsibility are the contributions of answer B. Britain. Popular sovereignty was advocated by answer A. Rousseau. The creamy layer concept refers to answer C. The grouping based on economic status. In the Constitution of India, the right to constitutional remedies has been provided in Article answer C. 32. Which amendment to the Constitution provide for the reservation of 1/3 seat in the municipal boards and village panchayats for women? Answer A. 73rd and 74th Amendment. By which constitutional amendment political defections were banned? Answer D. The 5th Second Amendment of 1985. Which article of the Constitution provides special status to Jammu and Kashmir? Answer C. 370. The system of privy purses in respect of formal rules of Indian state before independence was abolished by the Constitution through Answer A. 26th Amendment Act 1971. What is meant when the Constitution declares India is a secular state? Answer C. The state regards religious as a private affairs of the citizen and does not discriminate on his basis. If you like the video, then do subscribe, like, share.